Let us take an example of commercial vehicles. Let us have a small intro about vehicles.
So the vehicle segments I was saying, nowadays you see about the micros and the SUV and the MPV and the hatchbacks and the supers and sports and muscle cars and luxurious car. These are the types of the segment. We see the hatchback. Hatchback is the two-door configuration box door, which can be limited boot space, and the engine bedroom was little small, and they are used to do airbags. Hatchback example was Swift, and we now going to say about the sedan configuration. Sedan is the three configuration structure, which has the 4 doors and the boot space and dickies, and the engine bedroom was large, and we can there was the 2 to 4 airbags are used. The sedan was the powerful segment in the sedans. There's a used Volkswagen, Vento, and the Rapid. Now we have to say about the SUV segment. SUV is the sports utilizing car, which is the most off-road capability and the comfort and the panoramic and sunroof was used, and they also have the all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. The SUV segment is the most rugged structure which is given, and the SUV segment example was XUV 300 and 3XO. These are the examples. And the sports car, muscle car. Sports car is a two-door configuration which has used only 2 doors, only in 2 seats. Thank you.
So many commercial vehicles are available. Let us take one test that is very popular in car testing. Do you know what is crash test?
Yes. Crash test is yeah, the vehicle scratch it and you check its safety.
Okay. The stability of the vehicle is being checked by making to crash it in a huddle. So that is called a crash test, right? So we have customer vehicles, as he has listed so many vehicles. Crash test is done in 2 ways. One is in a simulation way, while we are modeling the car itself using ANSYS. We are going to test the stability of the vehicle. Okay. Otherwise, a real model is being built, and keeping a small robot inside, we are going to make it to hit it in a huddle. So that is a real-time crash test, and we have most safest car. Can you tell some most safest car in the world?
Most safest car, Benz, Tata.
Okay. Okay. Top 3 is Mercedes-Benz, and we have Volvo, and we have Tata. Tata Motors is when Tata Motors was started, the company doesn't have so much sophisticated facility to test this crash test. When it has made a joint venture with the Land Cruiser, it has developed so many crash testing facility and so many new models, so that it has come into the safest car list in the world. Okay. Can you tell something about electric cars, how it is going on?
Tata Mahindra.
Okay. We have 2 electric segments, one is Tata and Mahindra. And what is your view on this case study?
We call as an airbag. We call as an airbag which ranges from minimum to the maximum 6. Main usage of airbag is to save the passenger's life.
Okay. So whenever you travel with a car, whenever the car hits any huddle, so immediately there is an impact on the customers, right? So this impact will create injuries to the passenger as well as the passengers as well as the driver. Okay. So for this purpose, we have something called as airbag. Okay. So airbag is nothing but a bag which will fill a particular gas to a particular extent, and it will open up when it is having a sensor signal to the airbag, right? So this sensor signal to the airbag will start opening up, and all the airbags in the side waist as well as in the front where it opens, and when the vehicle goes and hits the target, the passenger is being saved. So this is the crash test case study that we have discussed. Thank you.
Thank you.